you all back to my channel once again. This is DJ Mahaneet. We're en route to Chennai right now, and quick stopover for charge. This is a static fuel charge, and as you can see, we are on our MG ZS EV, doing a economical journey to Chennai. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. My Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for an exciting journey to Chennai. Quick lunch break here at Shavana Bhavan, and we're back on the road, hitting the beach today. So do what you love what you do, keep exploring, and do whatever the hell you want. Life is short, keep it simple and keep smiling, spread the happiness. Cheers people, stay tuned.
Welcome to Chennai.
Oh, Mr. Jiggy, how is the ride going so far?
Very fun.
Welcome to Chennai. Welcome to Chennai. This is the Raida by Vindyam here in Chennai. We're just checking in, and it's pretty late in the evening, so I don't think we'll do much tomorrow. We'll catch you in the morning. Stay tuned for an exciting day here in Chennai. Yeah, we are in Marina Beach here in Chennai. Hope you like the drone shots. Welcome you all back to my channel once again. Good morning. This is Vanakkam Chennai. We are in Chennai city, exploring the beaches around Chennai. It's a great morning here. It's 8 a.m. and it's already hot, but it's fantastic to be on the beach. I hope you're liking my vlog here in Chennai. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Cheers. Chennai, a beautiful property. Here's a quick walk around of the property. Marina Beach here in Chennai. Check this out. Place they're having dinner. This is Anna Lakshmi. Check this out. Come. From Chennai, was fantastic couple of days here in Chennai. So here we come, Bengaluru, heading back home now. Stay tuned for the journey back. We are here at Innitially Hotel for a quick lunch stop here on route to Bengaluru. Let's see what we're going to have. Come on, let's check out what we're going to eat. That was a scrumptious meal here at the Murugan Idli shop. This is Vellore enroute to Bengaluru. Another 3 to 4 hours we should be in Bengaluru. That's about it for this short log of Chennai. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots and overall beach experiences of Chennai. Stay tuned until the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Thank you once again for watching. See you around very soon. Until the next one, it's sayonara, adios, and it's goodbye.